Hi betting experts, on Friday the 4th of December. First of all, look back at our two bets at Market Raisin on Thursday. We move on to Sandown on Friday. The ground drying out all the time. Good to soft, good in places on the chase course. Bit softer on the hurdle, but I think things will be improving. We've not really had any appreciable rain in Esher for a very long time, and things are drying out. We start off with our value angle selection in the 12.45. This is the Sandown Park Amateur Jockeys Handicap Chase. 3 miles, Class 3, 4-year-olds and upwards. £7,000 on offer to the winner. The one I much prefer is Gary Moore's Diable de Civola. Now this one has been expensive to follow over fences, now run 12 times without winning, but he had some cracking efforts in the frame after joining Gary Moore last season from Nick Williams, finishing a very good second behind Champagne Court at Plumpton and then third behind Burbank at Newbury. His final run came in a first-time visor over this course and distance, finishing a really creditable fourth behind Dees Abba. That race has thrown up future winners with horses like Captain Ord and Cloudy Glen in the lineup, and they've come out and franked it in style since Diable de Civola was up on the hammer throughout and just got tired on really bad ground. He should be spot on for his seasonal reappearance. He was again well behind Cloudy Glen at Fontwell, but ran a lot better than the bare result, just getting tired up the straight in really deep ground. His marks eased a bit. It's his second run back from a wind up. The excellent Kieran Buckley's in the plate, taking off £3. I think he'll go really close. Lots of Gary Moore's horses have been needing a run. This one should strip fitter for it. Get a positive ride. I'm hoping he'll make all the running. For our nap of the day, we go to the 1.15. This is the Lonsborough Handicap Chase over 2 miles, Class 3, 4-year-olds and upwards, £7,300 on offer to the winner. An interesting field, the one I've had my eye on for some time, is Ardmail of Ali Strong. Now this one has won 3 from 7 over fences, a really good return. He's run his best races at Sandown over this course and distance. He was a winner here back in March 2019 by a wide margin off a mark of 118. He's now on 122 and I think that's very lenient. He's run well twice over hurdles after 270 days off this season, and if you watch his run back last time at Leicester behind the prolific Breffin boy, he stayed on the worst of the ground there up the inside and it was a lot better than the bare result, basically hinting like one coming to absolute peak fitness. He's back over fences here at the course that he loves on decent ground that suits him ideally, and I think he'll go really close under a positive ride. Best of luck on Friday, betting experts.